In this video, I will show you how to create a professional LinkedIn profile. So first of all, log into your LinkedIn account, tap on profile button, click on view profile. Now the first step is to customize URL. So here is public profile and URL. Click on the pencil button. Again, click on the pencil button. Now clear the URL and add the URL of your choice. Click on save. Now the next step is to edit your professional photo. So for this, search for remove background. Click on the first link. Click on upload image. Now select the photo and the background is now removed. Click on download. Now to edit this, search for Canva. Click on the first link. Now search for LinkedIn profile picture. Click on create blank. Once you are here, click on uploads. Click on upload file. Select the photo. Once the photo is uploaded, click on photo, fit in the frame. Now click on element. Search for color gradients. Select the color of your choice. Click on the right button. Now click on set image background, and now the image is set in background. You can also edit photo from here. You can change the color of your choice. Now click on share. Scroll down. Click on downloads. Again click on download. Now click on the camera. Click on upload photo and select the edited photo. Fit it. Now scroll down, click on save photo. So now your profile photo is updated. The next step is LinkedIn banner. So go to Canva and search for LinkedIn banner. Choose the banner of your choice. Click on customize template. Now edit the name here, the service you are providing, content creator, your Gmail here, and contact number. Now click on share. Scroll down, click on download. Again click on download, and the banner is now downloaded. Go to LinkedIn profile page again. Click on this camera. Now click on edit profile background. Select the edited banner. Scroll down. Click on apply. So now the banner is uploaded. The next step is to edit the intro section. So click on this pencil. Write your name, full name here. Click on current position. So now what are the services you are providing right here? The employment time, is it full-time or part-time? Company name, where are you working? So I am writing Upwork here. Now the location, your country, location type, click on remote. The date when you started, February 2023. And now click on industry and type here medical practices. Now scroll down, add skills. I'm just adding Adobe Audition, video production and video editing. Now click on save. Now the next step is write a LinkedIn headline. So for this purpose, click on this pencil, scroll down. Here is headline. I'm just writing content creator, how to video easy, voiceover and screen recording. Now click on save and the headline show here. The next step is to add feature section. So click on add profile section. Click on recommended. Now click on add feature. Click on this plus button, add a post. Now click on feature. It's now featured. Again click on feature, and the both posts are featured. Now go back. So the next step is to add skills. Click on add profile section. Click on code. Now click on add skills. So here you can manually add skills one by one. Click on save. Now again the same process. Now the next step is to connect with professionals and grow. So here are people also viewed. You can start connecting with them. If the content helped you, leave a like on the video, leave a compliment or suggestion in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel to follow our content. Bye!